Whatever.
Salad?
Na? No.
There is
There's one in
non-mushy salad.
And then, nung time na yun, gustong lumabas ng kapitbahay namin kasi tinawagan ni Tami agad-agad. And then si Tami din sabi pa, gusto agad lalabas din i-check. Adoy, magpakain man sila. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Ang buhok ko ay perte. Pero alam nyo yung nagpadala ako ng pera sa Pilipinas sa kapatid ko. Kasi bibili ako ng badya. No, bili ako ng badya para sa papa ko. Sa Cebuana naman yun guys. Sa Cebuana ako pinadala. Sabi pa, dalawa daw ID day. Guys, isa lang naman yung ID niya. So dalawa daw yung ID. Ay guys, pagkatapos kaya hindi man makukuha ang pera kaya isa lang ID. So kinansil ko guys. Until now guys, wala pa man ang pera guys. Hindi pa refund guys. Wala pa. Na alam niyo kung anong mangyayari guys, hindi ko alam. Sana mabalik yung pera sa bangko ko. Kasi, uy, naku, malaki yun guys. Uy, naku, mag-unsa na lang guys. Kinawat ba na ako to kay Tami, no? Wala, nangawat ba ya jud ko? Ganun, naku, iwan ko lang sa Batman guys. So, kaya sana po mabalik po yung pera, no? I think mabalik yun, pero ang tagal naman. Uy, kasi kinalbo ko yung akong savings guys. Kinalbo ko, no? Ay, mga kuang ninyo na, gubao na yung badya-badya. Ay, kinalbo ko. And then pagkatapos noon, wala. Nahurot man, hindi na-cancel man, and then wala ng pera, wala ng laman. Kaya ka ng ano ba, hindi. Kasi ang pera ko guys, ano kay Tami, binigay ko. Kung ano yung nasa savings ko, yun yung mga salin-salin. So ngayon, wala na ko yung salin. So nangawat ko kay Tami, nanguha ko dito. Pagkuha na ako guys, sabi ko, nanguha ko dito kwarta na, sabi niya, okay ra. Pagkatapos niyan guys, hintay na lang, maghintay ako kung kailan yun mabalik. Ay, mag-French toast ako guys. Samtang okay pa itong ating halab bread. Ang bilis talaga kapag halab bread kasi ang laki talagang hiwa ni Damiren guys. So sana ibalik yung pera guys, no? Sana ibalik yung pera ni, kasi pag hindi ay, asan kaya yun? Saan kaya tayo magwala? Pwede kaya tayo magwala? I'm going to clean up outside for the last time this year. Next year again. But you have to pay me $2 per hour.
$2. You work, you cheat, you need more than that. You have to ask for more.
Oh, I have to ask for more?
$2. That's
But you're my husband and this is my property. $2 per hour. So I have to finish to this afternoon. 4 o'clock, I have to work slowly. In this weather.
Yeah, then why you won't be able to do it?
Yeah. At least it's sunny and it's not crazy windy just like yesterday. Magbayad na si Tami. Tami owe me something. Oh, you owe me now something. Yay! Yay, yay, yay!
Yep.
How many hours?
I don't know, 10.
No, seriously. 10 $2, $20 only. You're sad.
I told you $2 is too low. I keep telling you, it'd be $10. At least it'd be high.
Buti na lang guys, gumalaw-galaw ako ngayong araw. Kung hindi ay next week guys, ay nagrabe ang isnobasa. Tapos na tayo next year ulit. Malinis na yung bahay oh. Malinis na. Tignan natin yung, di ba sabi ko sa inyo may bear kaming naririnig. Kaya pala, mayroong bear. Linis na ang bahay guys, alak. Tignan nyo. So, ito pala ang dahilan kung bakit andito yung kigwa na yun. Kasi kinakain po niya itong malaking, sobrang laki na, ang daming dahon oh. Dito pala nagwala guys. Oh, oh grabe yun oh. Yung buhok ba? Buhok dyan oh. Dito pala kinakain pala siya. Kinakain ng buhay ng bear. Look oh. Yun siya guys oh. Yun. Kaya pala, grabe yung away dito ng, 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo na narinig namin yung hindi man yun deer. Ang tunog bear. Bear? Bear. Basta mauna na siya guys. Uy, pinahirapan niyo ako mag-pronounce ng mga hinayupak na yun. Ako. Yun, aalis din kami. So, kaya yun. And then, nung time na yun, gustong lumabas ng kapitbahay namin kasi tinawagan ni Tami agad-agad. And then si Tami din sabi pa, gusto agad lalabas din i-check. Aduy, magpakain man sila. Linis na yung aming yard. Kasi nilinis natin. Ginagrind ko yung ano kanina. Diba? Tara, alis tayo. Ang ginaw guys. Nakapaalang ako. It's cold. Let's go inside. Come on. Si Mr. Busy. Sobrang aga na busy. Asa naman yun? Busy ko ano mga pinagkakawa nito. What have you been doing?
I'm looking for a keyboard.
Keyboard?
A USB keyboard.
USB keyboard? We don't have it all.
What?
We don't have it anymore. Yes, we don't have. Everything is we threw out. Even mine.
Why would we throw them out?
Because we never use it anymore. We don't do that.
Well, now I need one for an emergency.
Okay, then why?
I guess so.
Come in na.
I thought there would be one when I ran out of car.
No. Keyboard. So, ito po ang dahilan pala kung bakit siya hindi mapalagay ngayong umaga. Sobrang basic guys, hindi ko magets. Ito palang laptop na Mac niya, matagal-tagal na ito. Sira na, for some reason, yung ano niya, yung keyboard, hindi na mag-work guys. So, kaya si Tami, adoy, aligaga.
Battery cells are all shot. Look how puffed up they are.
Oh my goodness, is that all the batteries?
Yeah.
Wow, it's like bubble.
Yeah.
No. No, it says you can put your password.
Yeah, but I can't. The
Oh, you
keyboard
can't?
doesn't work. So.
Okay. Oh, don't drop all your screws over there.
Yeah, I know.
Akala niya, maayo pa niya guys, ma-resolve pa, pero no. Ganito pala ang laman ng MacBook. It's so many whatever in here. Like, oh, ang daming ano. And that's the fan.
Yeah.
Wow. And this not supposedly be like this.
No. It's supposed to be flat. These are puffed out. That means they're shot pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah, it really does puff. Nag-bubbles siya guys. Wow. It's been a long time, honey.
I know. Thing's over 10 years old, so I get it.
It's over 10, hon.
Yeah.
Samahan nyo kami guys. Magpunta kami sa Light. I don't know. Yung sister in tumawag. You think is Andrea call or Angelo? The first one.
Oh, man, you called first. I called for her cell phone. You didn't call her back.
Oh, okay. So,
Because I was trying to call her and then call it out. She was on the phone, so.
So, late nang tumawag guys na magpunta daw kami sa mga ilaw-ilaw. Iwan ko, parang hindi sila nakakita ng ilaw. And then sabi ko, okay, wala naman tayong ginagawa. Go. And then, katatapos lang namin naligo kasi nga, nag-ano kami ni Tami. Naligo kami kasi, doon siya sa taas, dito ako sa baba. Kasi, perti na akong bawa guys. Nag-ano kasi ako, nag-cut ng, nag-grind ba? Ng ano, so kaya yun. Ang nangyari, ligo eh. Piting tugnaw, basa-basa pa kunti akong buhok. So, very quiet.
They put the road.
Okay, so kakain daw kami ng mga leftover niya guys. So,
What's that?
we're eating leftover. So, dito kami sa kapatid ni Tami. Leftover. I like leftover actually. You know why? It tastes more. It tastes better. Yeah, I like that.
Unless I try that.
I eat the turkey leg already. I like it. No rice? I'm just
No
kidding.
No more starches until they're all gone.
Is this on?
It is. I have it on 300, so I don't know. But
Okay.
Let's go look at it a little bit, put that in it.
Hmm? But open up this out? Yeah.
Yeah, because she's allergic to eggs.
Oh, this is a sweet. This is sweet. What do you call this?
Sweet potatoes?
With marshmallow. The marshmallow is saying hi to me.
I got more in the drawer. We can melt them on it. I got little tiny ones.
More marshmallows to say hi to her?
Yeah, you want more marshmallows?
No, I'm good, thank you. Just sit down. Yeah, sit down.
They won't say hi. I can just put them on top of your mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, and let them slowly, whatever. I don't know.
Salad?
No? No.
There is
This is one
non-mushy
She's
salad.
one who said, oh, no, Andrew, no, I don't want arugula salad because I like her salad.
Yeah, but she doesn't like it when it turns to mush. Only we like it.
I
when
do-
it turns-
do
Oh,
that.
do you? The broccoli rabe, the asparagus. No, I don't think I had the asparagus. I have to show you. I had broccoli rabe and eggs this morning. Thank you.
Okay.
So you got a broccoli roblet.
Yeah, and broccoli scramblet. You know,
Alis na kami guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras. Anong oras na. Pero ngayon pa kami aalis na. Oh my goodness. Ngayon pa talaga. Ito yung mga kapitbahay nila oh.
because somewhere in our generation we didn't buckle them, you know, we didn't do them tight enough. We stopped at the puff or something. Because
There is a shopping area.
supposedly I hear, like I was talking to Scott, bars trying to get.
It's down there. It's Happy Holidays. See it?
Oh. Oh, so what do you got to go out there to the apartments?
Road for half a mile.
Oh, it's 11:27:28. He's warmed by the light. He's dancing.
I
He's having
guess.
music in his earbuds or something someplace.
Here.
It's just like looping around this. But you go right up against his house. Actually, wait. He had all these woods done. Why aren't all these woods done?
all the lights on, but they're not lit.
It's not lit.
All these woods were done. He looks like he has
There's got
lights.
stuff up in there, but it's not lit. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of lights here that aren't lit.
Yeah, usually all these woods are
We're having a
lit.
power outage here. Yeah, something must have happened. Oh, there they go.
Not on this side.
No.
And he does have all the stuff.
No, there's tons of stuff here not lit.
Look at it. The trees aren't lit over here.
Maybe because of this song, though. Remember the song, the lights played to the song. Yeah, they're lit up now, see? It goes by the song.
This is not very Christmassy music, though.
No, on the weekend. This weekend they didn't do it. It's on the website. If you want Christmas music, it's Sunday and Monday.
Thank you.
Merry
Thank
Christmas.
You too.
Yeah.
No driving, no driving.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thanks. Look at the little things over there. Oh, they have a camp over there. They didn't have that either.
Might be one of the sons. No, it is left.
Oh, look at the rainbow. That's really pretty. I
Mhm.
like that.
Now you and me in
I want
a
to go
car?
across the street, going to the light.
Like I'm watching those.
Hi dear. Aloy, go
She's
away,
scared.
babe.
You see, you had to stick your hand out
No,
the
that
window.
was Marianne.
Yeah,
Go,
we
don't
really
come
scared.
here. Because people will kill you.
People will kill you and eat you.